and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Christina. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a treble double crochet increase, which I write as TR/DC and then increase. I created this because I couldn't find it anywhere else, so I've decided to write the stitch that way. So it's pretty easy. First I'm going to show you in the back post. You're going to start with a treble. I'm going in the back post of this stitch, and then I'm going to do a double crochet in the very same stitch behind, and you're going underneath the stitch you just finished. Okay, so that is what it will look like. It kind of makes an X, but that's just how it turns out. But that is just two stitches that are different in the same stitch, and that is your treble / double crochet increase. Now I'm going to go ahead and do another one, but this time I'm going to do it in both loops instead of in a back post. So a treble, oh, lots of birdies making noises, and then a double crochet in the same stitch. And that's what it looks like. So because I wanted to make a pattern with waves, this has helped make those increases that I needed. So I didn't see it anywhere else, and maybe it's called something else, but I'm not sure. So that is what I came up with. I hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.